Hey guys, in part 7 of the procedural landscape generation, we take care that our landscape continues infinitely as soon as the player comes close to the border of a terrain part. Among other things, we use a set timer by function, which plays the generate terrain function every 0.3 seconds. It then checks whether the landscape part already exists in our save variable or not, and if this is not the case, the landscape part is generated. At the beginning, we have to add a -1 here as we calculate the vertex count in the for loop with -1, which is why we also have to add it here. Here we check whether the variable for the landscape tile to be generated already exists in our variable. If this is the case, it stops the function because no output is linked to the true pin. However, if this is not the case, we add the tile to our variable and let the function continue. Now we add a set timer by function to the begin play event so that it checks every 0.3 seconds whether a tile should be created or not. You can set the timer here as you like, but if you set it even lower, this may lead to more performance problems in your game, as we calculate everything with blueprints. Many thanks for watching. With the completion of this part, the general procedural landscape generation system is finished, and you have created an infinite world. With the following parts, however, we will configure the system to C++, as the creation will be much smoother and we can create even better terrains. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, I would be very happy about a like and subscription. See you then!